Joining us now for a conversation is Senior Congress leader and former Chief Minister Mr. Narayanaswamy. Sir, how confident are you about the India Alliance's victory in Puducherry here? Will statehood be a prominent issue in deciding the voter mindset this time?
I am very confident that in this election, people of Puducherry will vote for India Alliance, and the India Alliance will form. People have seen 5 years misrule of NR BJP government headed by Mr. Rangasamy. There is no law and order. Women's safety is not there. Drugs abuse. Apart from that, unemployment is the rise, sky high rise. Another thing is very important factor is that corruption in all departments of Puducherry, whether it is PWD department, whether it is smart city project, 30% commission in every deal by this government. We raise the issue. Apart from that, rice purchase, there is corruption. Egg, when they were getting egg for the students, there is also corruption. Ration card corruption, every corruption is there. The Himalayan corruption is, the big one is 10,000 crores fake medicine manufactured in Puducherry, distributed in 8 states. A CBI inquiry has been ordered because the Chief Minister, speakers are involved. Therefore, they are acting up the file, but we will not leave it. When India Alliance come to power, their corruption will be exposed. We will give a clean government. We will deliver a government which is acceptable to the people of Puducherry.
Sir, what about statehood, sir? The question here is that
statehood is a major issue. We have been raising it from the Congress party for more than 12 years. Modi government did not respond. When I was Chief Minister, I raised the issue in every Chief Minister's conference, but he was not responding. Even the present Chief Minister raised the issue. Modi was not opening his mouth. But when India Alliance come to power, we will definitely get statehood.
Sir, the Home Minister has leveled corruption allegations against you. What do you have to say on that?
No, in fact, I made a public statement. I challenged Amit Shah ji that if you are able to prove the allegations against me, I am prepared to quit politics. Okay. If you are not able to prove it, then you will have to quit the Home Ministry position and then you should take sannyas. Because government is others. 5 years, NR BJP government is ruling here. Without mentioning any development in these 5 years, he is blaming the corruption issue of 2016 to 2021. Where is 15,000 crores? How can they prove whether I sold the medical seats, Centag medical seats? Is there any evidence? Why they have not filed a FIR against me? Why they have not arrested me? Why they have not put me behind the bars? Coming and make a bald allegation, false allegation against me. Home Minister cannot escape that.
Final question, sir. In Tamil Nadu also several political parties, they say that the India bloc here in Puducherry is a confused alliance, that in many constituencies they themselves are having a friendly fight and that the alliance is not strong and united. It is a confused alliance.
No, it is not confused alliance. Whether NR BJP alliance is intact. Chief Minister is not going to BJP constituencies for campaign. BJP people are not going to NR areas for campaign. They are also, because the Amit Shah ji came here to Puducherry for a campaign. Chief Minister was missing. Is it an alliance? Therefore, don't talk about that because the convenience, as for convenience, the leaders go for campaign. That is not going to be a big issue.
Okay, thank you, sir. That is Mr. Narayanaswamy speaking to Times Now, and he is telling that it is not the India bloc. In fact, it is the NR BJP alliance that is a confused alliance, and he also goes on to express confidence that this time in Puducherry it is going to be a clean sweep for the India bloc, and that the corruption allegations that the Home Minister levelled against him are not true. They are in fact just cooked up allegations for the sake of elections. If those allegations were true in the last 5 years, why did the NR BJP government did not do anything about it? Why did they not initiate an investigation against him is the question that is coming in from Mr. Narayanaswamy over here. Dharni for Times Now from Pondicherry with Jay Prakash.